Greetings. Nhasi tinoda kuita we want to use the cosine rule to calculate angles. So before we go anywhere, we should have a quick reminder. Saka, when we talk about the cosine rule, what is it? Chekutanga, this is a set of formulas kana kuti tongoti formulae used to solve non-right angled triangles. Saka, the cosine rule, we mainly have three formulas. Saka, the plural of formula, it's formulae. So this is a set of formulas which we use to solve non-right angled triangles. Saka, when we talk about non-right angled triangles, basically tikutaura pamusoro pema obtuse angled triangles, and kana tichitaura pamusoro pe-an obtuse angle, tikutaura about the angle theta, which is greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. Saka, we discussed about the methodology. We discussed about what we use to solve right angled triangles. Saka, chatinotanga kushandisa kusolve ma right angled triangles, of course, Pythagoras theorem, which we use to find missing sides. Then secondly, we have the trig ratios, which we use to calculate either side kana kuti an angle using a series of formulas. Cos theta is equal to sin theta is equal to tan theta is equal to. When we come to obtuse angled triangles kana kuti non-right angled triangles, we first discussed about what? The sine rule. And in my previous classes, I explained where the sine rule should be applied. Then now we are discussing about the cosine rule. Saka, looking at the cosine rule, panapa, we should know kuti it is used to solve either a side kana kuti an angle. Saka, maformulas acho anosiyana depending kuti unoda kusolva chii. But in my previous classes, I told you kuti if you do not want to stress over kuprema, if that is your method of learning, rote memorization, internalization of formulas aya, because that means wakufunga kumabata ari 6 instead of 3. You can just go with the first 3 which we introduced. Saka, the first 3 formulas we introduced, the aya are not equal. A squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. B squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. And lastly, c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. You understand? Saka panapa, a ino e iri represent a side. If you remember our model triangle, yanga yakadai so, where we have a, b, and c. Saka capitalized A, it will represent this angle, small letter a, which is opposite this interior angle A, is the side. Capitalized B, e angle, small letter b is side. Capitalized C, e angle, small letter c is side. Saka a squared, b squared, c squared. We are calculating what? Tikutsvaga ma sides. Saka, because we have made a, b na c a subject of formula, zvinoreva kuti in its original intent, maformulas ari 3 aya anoshandiswa kutsvaga the different sides of a triangle. Saka when we now need kutsvaga the angle, we can equally apply these three formulas. We still get to our answer. But let us say we want to make kana kuti toda kutsvaga an angle directly. What do we have to do? At this point, we should do something. We should make cos A kana kuti cos B kana kuti cos C the subject of formula. The subject of formula. And takataura tichiti making anything the subject of formula. This is just a process yekuti uri kutora that something which isolate kuti icho chive equal to something. For example, a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. A squared is the subject of formula because a squared is equal to, then we have a series kana kuti we have many other variables including bc and capitalized a. Saka making subject of formula kungoita kuti tive nesituation yekuti something chiri equal to a series of things. So I hope my explanation is sufficient in this case. Tataura kudaro. Saka our task here is to make, let us take for example, tina c squared is equal to a squared plus bc minus 2ab cos c. Zvatiri kuda kuita, we want to make cos c the subject of formula. Kuitira kuti formula iyoyo kana tava nayo inenge yakutitora directly to an angle. So how do we make cos c the subject of formula? It's quite easy. This topic of subject of formula, if my memory serves me well, it's introduced around Form 2. And it's one of the key elementary concepts which form the foundation of ordinary level. Okay. Saka panapa, it's just c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. What we need to do is tikuda kusiya cos c ari kusaidi kuno, but tichida kumusiya kudaro, we should do something panapa which is very important. Chekutanga, we should be able to know kuti we have how many terms in this expression. Saka c squared is our first term, a squared our second, b squared our third, then 2ab cos c is our fourth term. Zvandazviitira ndezvekuti ndikuratidzei kuti 2ab cos c is a term yakamira yakadaro. Maona? Saka iri term kudaro, what we are supposed to do panapa ndezvekuti, seeing kuti 2ab cos c in negative, tinofanirwa kuiendesa uko kuitira kuti ive chi positive. But patiri kuiendesa uko, inoi c squared inofanirwa kuiunza kuno kuti ina cos c painosvika uko inosvika iri yega. Saka kana takuzvinyora pasi zvinobuda zvakati izvo 2ab cos c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared. Minus 2ab cos c yaenda uko, kujamba kwayaita icosine yachinja from minus to plus, a negative to a positive. C squared yaenda ku right kunoko, kujamba kwayaita icosine yachinja from a positive to a negative. Saka tazvinyora takadai so, what then do we have to do? Remember, toda kusiya cos c, saka we are just going to divide kunoko na 2ab. Effect iri kudi kucheka 2ab kunoko. But remember, zvataita ku left hand side, zvataita ku left, tinofanirwa zvakare kuzviita ku right hand side, kuitirei to balance equation. Saka because kuno kuta divide na 2ab, kuno kutia divide futi nani na 2ab. Saka what we are left with is therefore cos c iri equal to tinoti a squared plus b squared minus c squared over 2ab. This will be our first formula. Saka maitiro andaiita anofanirwa kutiratidza a relationship, kureva kuti I am not at all tasked or expected kuti ndiite ya cos A ndozoita zvakare ya cos B. What rather I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a task. Saka it's just to do for cos A and cos B. So practice with this and bring your answers to me through my contact details, which I'm going to provide, and through the comments section. What we are now going to do is we are going to just write all three formulas as they should appear. And we are going to soon realize a relationship, a pattern, which is material to our understanding of this. Saka inoizva iri iyo number 1. Number 2, ngatiti tiri kuda kuziva the cos of B. Saka cos B inenge iri equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2c. Then number 3, takuda kuziva cos A. So cos A inenge iri equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. So I don't know if you as yet notice pattern ya materializer panapa, but let me try to bring you to speed. Kana tichitsvaga cos c, tichati isusu amwe masides aya asiri c a squared plus b squared tosubtracta c yacho yatiri kutsvaga. Saka tichasubtracta c yatiri kutsvaga panapa cos c tosubtracta c, kana pari pacos b tosubtracta b, kana iri cos a tosubtracta a, then it's over 2ab, kureva kuti it's just 2 multiplying the first 2. Saka panapa it's 2ab, panapa it's now 2ac, ac, panapa it's 2bc, bc. So that is the pattern there. Saka let us now put up a summary of this. Saka ma formulas ari 6 anaya ndo anoita make up the cosine rule. You can do well with the first 3, and you can also choose kuti aunoda kuziva ndeaya, which is something I do not advise. But chero ukaziva aya, you can actually work around uchiwana your answer either way. Saka in our summary, tina a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. Handiti inogona kunyorwawo zvakare yakaita sei? Inogona kunyorwawo zvakare yakati cos a is equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc, like this. Then for our number 2, tina b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. For number 2, b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cos b. Inogonawo kunyorwa yakaita sei? Yakati cos b is equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. Pekupedzisira pa number 3, tina c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cos c. Then lastly, inogona kunyorwawo zvakare yakati cos c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared over 2ab. Saka ndo manyorerwo anoitwa chi? A cosine rule. So tell me in the comments kuti which of the two sets of equations do you prefer? Muno prefer maformulas akanyorwa in white here, or you prefer maformulas akanyorwa in the blue color? But if you are to ask me, I would advise kubata maformulas akanyorwa in the white color. But at the end of the day, that is your poison to pick, your child to carry. That should be your decision at the end of the day. Saka zvataita izvi, we have laid a very firm foundation on what we are going to learn today. What we should now do is takufunga kuita some examples to solidify the mathematics we have done. Our first example iri kuti calculate the angles of a triangle with the sides of length 4 meters, 5 meters, and 7 meters. Chatinofanirwa kutanga kuita, as always, kuisa triangle yedu pasi like this. Taisa triangle yedu pasi, then we'll fill in the information we are given in the question. Taudzwa kuti we have to calculate the angles of a triangle. Kureva kuti all the three angles like this. So calculate the angles of a triangle with the sides of length 4 meters, 5 meters, and 7 meters. Saka chatinotanga kuita kuasaina. Since maformulas edu isusu takamanyora in the form ABC, zvoreva kuti our triangle should be what? A, B, and C. Then kana kunoku iri angle A, zvoreva kuti A is equal to 7 meters. Then if this is B, zvoreva kuti B is equal to 5 meters. And if this is C, zvoreva kuti C is equal to 4 meters. Correspondency tanga titaura nezvayo. Then kana tadai so, what are we looking for? Tikutsvaga ma-angles. Saka we have to put down ma-formulas edu. So what I'm going to do panapa is, ndoda kutanga ndatsvaga angle A. But angle A ndoda kuitsvaga in two methods. Ndoda kutsvaga angle A ndichishandisa number 1, ma-formulas atabva kudzidza manje manje. Cos A is equals to something. Then number 2, ma-formulas atakadzidza in our previous classes. A squared is equal to something. Saka this will give you like a chance to compare. Then of course pakuzotsvaga B ne C uchashandisa the easy way around it, which is kushandisa formula inotanga na cos B ne formula inotanga na cos C. Saka my method number 1 panapa is going to be using this formula. A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos of A, like this. Saka tadai so much. What is A? Saka A squared, we are saying 7. 7 squared is equal to, what is B? B is 5. So it's 5 squared plus, what is C? That is 4 squared, subtracting 2, multiplying 5, which is B, times 4, which is C, then the cos of A, like this. So panapa, we obviously need a calculator. Saka taking you to my calculator, what is 4 squared? 4 squared is 7 times 7, which is 49. Saka panapa tichati 49 is equal to 5 squared into 25 from 5 times 5 plus 4 squared 16 from 4 times 4, subtracting 2 times 5, that is 10, and 10 times 4 it's 40, so it's minus 40, the cos of A, like this. Saka obviously it's 49 subtracting 25. 25 angari positive, ajamba cosine ava negative, minus 16, the same happened. From a positive 16 cross over the cosine to a negative 16. So this is equal to what? To minus 40 cos A, taking note kuti ndinofanirwa kuva chi minus 40. Okay, tadaro manje, what we now need to do is we need to know kuti 49 minus 25 minus 16 ambori ani. Saka our answer here is 8. So 8 is equal to minus 40, the cos of A. And then of course kana iri minus 40 panapa is toda kusarwa nani na cos A. Saka we have to divide with what? Minus 40. We do the same panapa. Inobva yava minus 8 over 40. Because kazhinji hatifariri kuisa negative kudenominator. Kuti 8 over minus 40 is true, but the actual formatting of this kuti minus 8 over 40. Saka minus 40 au cancel na minus 40. What it means is panapa we are left with what? Minus 8 over 40, of which it's basically 8 into 8, 1 into 45. Saka cos A is equal to minus 1 over 5. So from here, takati kana takuda kutsvaga A, which is the angle, because hatisi kutsvaga cos A, kutsvaga A, we are basically going to do what? To take the arc cos of what? 1 over 5, which will give us an answer of what? So going calculator kwedu, checking kutanga kuti it's in degrees, deg, then my particular calculator ndinobaya shift, ndobaya cos, then ndozobaya 1 over 5. It's actually minus 1 over 5. Don't make mistake and under it up. So ndenda kubaya chi minus 1 over 5. Answer ndiri kuwana it's 101.53695903282. So ndoda kuisiya to 1 decimal place kureva kuti it's 101.5 degrees like this. Saka iyi muri kuona kuti it becomes complicated. Complication kazhinji iri panapa kuti eventually we have to take the arc cos of. Saka from examples atakaita before we introduced the other 3 formulas of the cosine rule, anenge na cos A, cos B, cos C, we were taking the arc cos, if you remember. Keep in mind this is our answer. Let us do the same question but now using our newly found formulas. Saka tikada kuita nenzira yatabva kudzidza panapa, inenge iri chi? Cos A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. Saka tangu substitute panapa, B squared then the 5. Saka it's 5 squared panapa plus C ndi 4 squared minus what is A ndi 7. Saka it's 7 squared over, then it's 2 multiplying 5 times 4 cos A. So cos A is equal to chi. Of course 5 squared into 25 plus 4 squared into 16, then 7 squared into 49 over 2 times 5 10, 10 times 4 40. So tiri panapa again takuda kuziva kuti what is 25 plus 16 minus 49 the minus 8. Saka cos A is equal to minus 8 over 40, which again is minus 1 over 5. Rather, the benefit of doing it this way, number 2, that method number 2 in way, the benefit of doing that in a way kuti we have lesser steps, kureva kuti we are less prone to errors. Because the more steps, the more probability of making errors. And your pros and cons achava chi, but if you look at this the way I'm looking at it, you're going to see kuti method number 2 is a lot cleaner and it takes us directly to the answer. Saka of course panapa it's cos A is equal to minus 1 over 5 handiti zviri kungoreva kuti therefore A inge iri equal to chi the arc cos of minus 1 over 5 and of course tikaisa mucalculator it should take us to that answer like this. Saka you pick what you want to use. Is either uchashandisa ina cos A kana uchida kutsvaga maangles kana kuti unongoramba uchishandisa inotanga na a squared. So for pakutsvaga b nekutsvaga c ndichashandisa inotanga nacos b neinotanga nacos c. Takuda kutsvaga takuda kushandisa cos b is equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. Also toda kutsvaga b, saka cos b inenge iri equal to a indi 7, so it's 7 squared plus c indi 4 squared minus b indian ndi 5, so it's minus 5 squared panapa. And take note ndiri kuisa mabrackets, it's very important, over 2 multiplying a which is 7 and b which is 4 and c which is 4. Saka panapa the cos of b is equal to 49 from 7 squared plus 16 from 4 squared minus 25 from 5 squared over. Then we need to know kuti 2 times 7 ndi 14. What is 14 times 4? That is 56. Saka tiri pano, let us now know kuti cos b yakamira sei. Cos b is equal to 49 plus 16 minus 25, that is 40. So it's 40 over 56. We can reduce it, of course, to, if we say the half of 40, the 20, then 2 into 5, that is 2, 1 panapa, and 2 into 16, the 8. Kureva kuti panapa tinogona kuisa 5, handiti? Not 5, 4 man. So 4 into 20 into 5, then 4 into 28 into 7. So this is equal to 5 over 7. 7y, 7, 14, 21, 28. Saka since cos b iri equal to 5 over 7, kana takutsvaga b, we take the arc cos of 5 over 7, which then is equal to what? Saka shift cos and tenure as a fraction 5 over 7. Because an answer of 44.415,308,597,19, which I write, of course, is 44.4 because it is to 1 decimal place. So this is the answer I am getting. Saka panapa, it's beautiful. 30 billion ndi 44.4 degrees. Chadazoiprova answer. Chadazoiprova. So kutsvaga c hakunetsi, tiri kuti cos c is equal to a squared plus b squared minus c squared over 2ab, which is the cos of c is equal to a into 7. So 7 squared plus b into 5, 5 squared minus c into 4, 4 squared over 2 multiplying a 7 and b which is 5. Saka the cos of c panapa is equal to 49 plus 25 minus 16 over, what is 14 times 5? So 14 from 2 times 7, of course, times 5 the 70. Saka the cos of c panapa is equal to, what is 49 plus 25 minus 16 ndi 58, so it's 58 over 70. Saka panapa tiri kuti c ichava equal to the arc cos of what 58 over 70. Tokuna kuisiya yakadaro. There is no need yekuiconvert actually. There is no need yekuiconvert panapa. Pamusana pekuti tichangoisa mucalculator. Saka c iri equal to chi. Going to my calculator ndobaya shift cos kuti ite arc cos, then of course 58. Saka calculator yenyu please, if possible, have a scientific calculator, a Casio, but I prefer a right view. Inokwanisa kunyora a fraction because amwe ayaya masharp ayaya anowanzoita mistakes. In fact tisu tinoita mistakes pakumashandisa zvekuti tinopedzisira tanyora maanza siyo. Saka it's 34 degrees panapa. So here it's 34.0 degrees. Saka let us say kuti toda kuziva a, toda kushandisa some form of proof. Saka we know isusu from basic mathematics kuti a plus b plus c it's equal to 180 degrees. Kureva kuti a inge iri equal to 180 degrees subtracting b subtracting c. Saka a iri equal to 180 degrees minus 44.4 minus 34.0 degrees. Sa a iri equal to, remember that a paipa yanga iri 100 and something. Saka tinofanira kuwana the same answer yatambowana apa calculator a as some proof kuti answer yedu iri correct. Saka 180 subtracting 44.4 subtracting 34 tinowana 101.6, which is approximately equal to yatawana when we did our calculation, therefore in some way proving our answer to be correct. And even if we are to consult the book here, our answers are also correct. Saka this is how it's done. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me, or rather do it publicly in the comments section. Example 2 question yedu iri kuti calculate the angles of triangles which have sides 400 meters, 500 meters and 700 meters. Saka a like this. So this is going to be a little different from what we did in our first example. In our first example, calculator tichishandisa ma formulas for all three angles because tachida kusolidify kana kuti kupractice ma formulas aya. Takuda answer the way we should actually answer it in an examination. Saka answering a, of course we put our triangle and we have a side 400 meters, another one is 500 meters, then the other is 700 meters. We name our triangle ABC. We know that this is A, that is C, and that is B. Then panapa truda kutsvaga A, saka we use the formula the cos of A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC, which is equal to what? What is B? 500. So it's 500 squared plus then what is C? 400. It's 400 squared subtracting C, which is 700 squared over 2 multiplying 500 times 400. So here it's going to be equal to, remember in your answering you don't have to write the way I'm doing. Because you have sufficient space. Panapa I'm trying to be conservative with my space. That's why ndikunyora nchita singe ndikunyora huku kudai. Alright. Saka what is 500 squared? 500 squared haifangu kuti netsa. Why ndadaro? We can treat it like tiri kungoti 5 squared. What is 500 squared? So 500 squared we can treat it like tingoti 5 squared. Saka tinoti 5 squared towana 25. Tobva tati mazero 2 ayo ari squared odzoka ari 4. But I don't want to confuse you. Ngatingozviisai mucalculator. 500 squared is equal to 500 times 500, which gives us 250,000. Then 400 squared will be this 160,000, subtracting 700 squared will be 490,000. This is over 2 multiplying 500 into 1,000. 1,000 multiplying 400, it's 400,000. Like this. Saka panapa I can do some trick, but this trick kuti mui understand inoda kuti tidai so. I want you to look at this very carefully. It's a trick. Tikati and it's helpful. Inovunzwa kuzimsek sometimes. Let us say tati susu 34 minus 2 over 2. So the conventional way of doing this, of course, kungoti 34 minus 2 towana 2 panapa. It's over 2. Tozoti 2 into 2 ndi 1. Saka answer ndi 1. But another way of doing it ndeyekuti it's 4 minus 2 over 2. Tinoti 2 into 2 ndi 1. 2 into 4 ndi 2. 2 into 2 ndi 1. Tozoti 2 minus 1 towana 1. Saka izvi zvinoapply kana panapa paina minus kana kuti paina plus. Kana paina minus kana paina plus, denominator inopinda into each individual number iri numerator. Understand? So izvi zvinotibatsirei izvi? Izvi zvinotibatsira kuti i0 ishi mapaona inonocheka yocheka yocheka futi ishi. I0 yonocheka yocheka ishi yocheka futi ishi. I0 ishi yonocheka ichicheka yocheka futi ishi. Saka panapa tiri kuti chain iri kupinda yopinda umu ndokucheka mazero kwatiri kuita. I0 ishi yonocheka ichicheka futi ishi yocheka futi ishi. Kureva kuti tosarwa pina 25 plus 16 minus 49 over 40. 25 plus 16 minus 49 over 40. Kana ma-confuse wapa, ngatingoita zvinhu zviri traditional. Tinongenda mucalculator to subtracta kuti 250,000 plus 160,000 minus 490,000 dividing 400,000. Saka it's now easier kurevei, kureva kuti takutongokwanisa kudi kuinyora zvakanaka. Tikanoisa mucalculator yedu papo haichanetse. It's 25 plus 16 minus 49, it's minus 8. Saka yadzokera ku minus 8 over 40. Saka panapa tachitsvaka a ka. So it's the cos of a. And kureva iko kuti a inge iri equal to the arc cos of 8 into 8, 1 into 45. Saka it's the arc cos of minus 1 over 5. Tambo iweka iyi. Asi yadzoka hayo. Saka it's minus 1 over 5. Saka apo tiri kuwana an answer of 101.5. Let us put to 2 decimal places. Saka it should be 0.54 degrees because answer iri mucalculator is 101.53695903282. Like that. Saka let us put this answer pana a panapa. It's 101.54 like this. Okay, ngatitsvagei b. Ngatitsvagei b. B chanetsa kuwana here. Cos b is equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. Like this. Saka tiri kuti the cos of b is equal to what is a squared? Saka it's 700 panapa squared plus 400 squared minus 500 squared over 2 multiplying 700 times 400. Saka the cos of b will be equal to chi. What I want to do now is ndoda kungoinseta zvese izvo in my calculator. Saka I'm just going to say 700 squared plus 400 squared minus 500 squared. This is over 2 multiplying, it's 2 multiplying 700, also multiplying 400 to get us an answer of 0.71428571429. Saka b would be equal to the arc cos of that number. What is going to be our final answer? What is going to be our final answer? Saka tikangoya panapa shift cos 0.714285 71429 upon an answer of 44 point, so it's 44.41530859684. So to 2 decimal places ingeri 44.42 degrees. Saka b it's 44.42 degrees. Kwasara c. Kana takuda kutsvaga c manje, we are just going to use the sum of interior angles of a triangle. A plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Saka what is a? A ndian ndi 101.54 degrees plus b ndi 44.42 degrees plus c is equal to 180 degrees. If we add 101.54, so we add to 44.42, tirikuwana 145.96 degrees plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Saka kuti tiwane c, this 144.96 inofanirwa kujamba uku, but ikajamba because it's a positive inosvika iri a negative. Saka finally our answer is going to be, we are saying 180, we are saying 180 subtracting 145.96, that will be equal to 34.04 degrees for c. Saka kana tichinzi titsvage maangles sezviri kuitika apo, tikatongowana the first two angles, there is no need yekushandisa the cosine rule kutsvaga the third angle. We just use the sum of interior angles. So the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, which is 180 degrees. Is this understood? Alright, Saka, we have done the first part of our question. Let us now do the second part of our question, which is B. Looking at B, zviri izvo, this is going to be our triangle. One side 2.8 centimeters, rimwe 4.2, rimwe 5.6. It's A, B, and then C. Saka this will be A because it's opposite the interior angle A. This will be C and that will be B. Saka ngatange tatsvaga A. Saka the cos of A will be equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. What is B? B in the 4.2, so it's 4.2 squared plus what is C? 2.8 squared minus A 5.6 squared dividing 2 multiplying b multiplying c. Saka this is equal to what? Savana batiri the cos of a is equal to what? So let me do something I haven't done, something I do not necessarily encourage. Kuti instead of kuramba tongoti cos a panapa, tongoti a is equal to the arc cos of 4.2 squared plus 2.8 squared minus 5.6 squared. Musazviita izvi, but kungokuratidzai kuti zviriko. Alright, saka panapa uine calculator chaiyo, you can just come here and say arc cos of ubva fraction rako ubva watonyora 4.2 squared plus 2.8 squared minus 5.6 squared dividing 2 multiplying 4.2 also multiplying 2.8, and the answer yatiri kuwana it's 104.4775121859 to 2 decimal places inenge iri 104.48 degrees. Yatopera so that is a 104.48 degrees. Ngatitsvagei b. Saka the cos of b inenge iri equal to a squared plus c squared minus b squared over 2ac. Saka takuda kuziva manje isusu kuti a ndiani, c, b ndiani, zvichingodaro. So looking at our triangle, a it's 5.6 squared plus c 2.8 squared minus 4.2 squared dividing 2 multiplying 5.6 multiplying 2.8. Yes, saka b ngeri equal to the arc cos of, again sazviita tangoshandisa example yekukuratidzai kuti zviriko, ende zvinowanzoshanda kana calculator yedu yakati simbei isiri right view, isiri inonzi sharp dzimwe dzaidze dzakudhara dzaidze dziri too simple, zvotoda a powerful yekuti expression yese inoisika yakadaro. Saka b ngeri equal to chi, rekai ndiise expression iyo yakadaro, so inge imbori chi gara zviya. Saka potati 5.6, saka it's 5.6 squared plus 2.8 squared minus 4.2 squared dividing 2 multiplying 5.4, 2 iri multiply chi 5.4 times 2.8, tukwana an answer of 44.5234956373, which to 2 decimal places is simply 44.52 degrees. Saka tadai so that will be our answer pa b panapa 44.52 degrees. Kana takutsvaga c manje, we are just going to use the sum of interior angles like this. Kurevei, kureva kuti c inge equal to 180 degrees, b ya jamba ya minus, a I meant b ya jamba ya futi chi minus. Saka c equal to 180 degrees subtracting a ndian 104.48 subtracting ko b ndian 44.52. Saka c ngeri equal to, computing this, it's 180 subtracting 104.48 subtracting 44.52. Is it? Yes. Saka c turikuwana iri 31 degrees. zvinenge zvatopera. Saka it seems tedious because questions aya ari kuuya achibvunza everything, but truth be told, questions emzimsec anouya ari a little lenient. Pashoma kana question inoti tsvaga maangles ese, because paquestion vanenge vakufanirwa kuisa mamarks akawandisa than avanotoda kunyatsoisa. This brings us to the conclusion of our lesson. Like our tradition, I leave you with an exercise 11C, taken from the New General Mathematics, Book 4. It's on chapter 11. So look for exercise 11C. Ruda muite number 1 kusvika number 4. Saka solve whatever is required of you according to numbers 1 to 4. Then to those who want to join us in our class and at our school for something like extra lessons, you get to me on these 2 numbers. My number, they are going to be in the description of the video. They are also going to be as the first comment of this YouTube video. So thank you for your patience and endurance, and have a nice day.